Standoff 2 might be a game, but trading gold is a game of its own. Every day players gamble their gold on marketplace in dream of having a skin of a knife. So to master the trading, you must master the marketplace. Most probably this video will be watched by the players who have no gold, or a player who downloaded this game just few days back. So let me explain it from the scratch. So it all comes to the question of how to find a best skin to trade in the marketplace. You can literally trade with any of the skins and still be profitable, but only thing matters is how fast the skin gets sold. Faster it sells, more the profit. Let me show how you can know if the skins will get purchased or not. At top you can see 94,000 purchase requests from the players for 0.04 gold, and here you can see 8 lakh offer request, which is the sale request from the players. If you scroll down you can see 7 gold, and at top it is been selling for 0.05 gold, and in between them only few people are selling for 0.6 gold. That means Tech9 Aurora can be sellable for 0.07 gold. Some of you also say that your purchase requests are not getting any skins. That's because you are not purchasing the skin for its right price. So how to find out its right price? To check the price you can use any skins in the inventory. As we saw, Tech9 Aurora was be sellable for 0.7 gold. So let's sell it for 0.7 gold, and it's 0.05 gold that we'll be receiving. That means we should sell this gun for 0.04 gold. Some of the player, what they'll do is they'll see 0.03 gold at the top and they'll go and type 0.03 gold. Then they'll see is that their guns are not getting purchased. You will get it for 0.03 gold when you put it for 0.04 gold. Skins in the marketplace only gets purchased for its true price, and there is a misconception. Players goes to the expensive knife skins and put a purchase order for 0.03 gold, but it will never get purchased. It will only work when you put it for top purchase price. Like in this case, it's 0.04 gold. Here comes the next problem. Players say some of their skins are not getting sold. The best way is to sell it back at the original price and get back with no loss. Otherwise, what you can do is you can sell it for 0.07 gold when all the 0.05 and 0.06 gold are getting sold. At certain times of the day, 0.07 gold will be at the top of the market because all the 0.6 and 5 gold will be sold out of the market. Like now, 0.07 is already at the top of the market. There is a chance that your skin will be sold with it. My purchase order is showing at the top, and you need to keep selling it over and over again, and it will be sold sooner or later. This is all you need to know about basic trading method. It's a fact time. How many of you knew that the StarTrek tracks your kill counts in the skin? As you can see below, I have done 370 kills in the StarTrek and it's showing in the skin.